Did you know that 15th May is the International Day of Families? Maybe it inspires you to look up the statistics on Indian families from official trustworthy sources. But where and how can you get these figures? Here are 2 ways in which you can go about it. 1. You can access the reports of the National Family Health Survey through an archive website, search for and download bits of data from the multiple drop-downs you encounter on the site, compile the numbers, collate and clean the raw data. This process will take you several hours. The second option is to visit dataful.in, log in or create an account, search NFHS, click on the relevant dataset, check the dataset preview to see if it has the information you need. Here, you can see the time period for this data and the source our team accessed it from. And then, it's just a matter of downloading the datasets in your preferred format. So, what will it be? Hours of downloading reports, collating and cleaning raw data, or downloading clean, ready-to-use datasets from Dataful? Subscribe to a Dataful plan today and get access to our vast collection of cleaned, ready-to-use datasets across sectors.